Hello, good morning traders. Today is the 15th of March 2023. As you have seen in my previous analysis, we had a long trade on dollar yen bank amazing profit. So being an intraday, as mentioned in my previous analysis, we had a long trade bank amazing profit. As you can see here, when the price hit to the profit target, as explained to my trader based on the 4 hour, as explained, if the price is going to stay below this level rejection, possibility of counter short trade here at this level. So we had an amazing counter trade. Let me explain to you how I analyze in intraday. That's the most important thing is. If you look at the intraday, this is the analysis we did. As explained to my trader, price refused develop a false breakout. That's the good sign. And based on this analysis, as explained, if the price stay below the previous high, which previously broken as a false breakout, let me explain to you guys here. That's the way you can see here. This is the previous high is broken. Price could not maintain above this level and broken. After the breakout, price retest and sort of like develop head and shoulder pattern in intraday. That's what explained my trader. It's time to enjoy the counter short trade. The target around 200 EMA, which is the previous low, which price nicely hit. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, this was the counter trade. As explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see here, as mentioned in the analysis, once I update guys, enjoy the profit. You can see here this morning we had a long trade here. After we had such a nice beautiful short trade on dollar yen. I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy more if you watch these analysis in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.